Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are fulfilling a request. So recently I made a video about delivering tobacco products. And I also made a video about delivering alcohol products. But there was also a request from Tom Harkins who requested that I make a tutorial on ordering alcohol and tobacco. Actually speaking, it's a little bit more complicated than I thought. I figure I'm in South Florida and there's a bunch of wines and liquors in Walgreens and 7-Eleven, and there are a lot more stricter guidelines in other states. However, it's a little bit more complex than I thought it was gonna be. So with that said, I want to go over how to actually deliver alcohol with Doordash. There are two ways to find alcohol here in the Doordash tab. You can actually click this button near the top. It has alcohol, and oh, there's actually a little discount. Look at that. It actually provides a list of options and where you can get alcohol delivered to you. So we got Primo Liquors, 7-Eleven, Circle K, IT Italy. So, and then there is the other way where you just type into the search engine alcohol. Very simple. And you got Primo Wines, Bog Liquors, liquor discount, 67 wines. But since it's here, let's go Primo Liquors and find one. So you go in, let's say you need Sveda vodka. I think that was actually the cover. So, oh, I want vodka for whatever reason, because in Soviet Russia, vodka drinks you. Because that was not a good joke. You got the liquor bottle, you got exactly what is the item itself. Must be delivered to someone with valid ID. If you don't have ID, they're gonna send it back. And they'll actually make more money because it's a return order. And let's say you got, you want one of these, you add it to cart, you can change the quantity down here. So let's say that's the only thing you wanted vodka. You can also order mixed drinks from certain restaurants that have it available. So if you want to order a pina colada and they have it available on the menu, you can actually add it to that. But let's see what happens at checkout. Verify your age one time to order alcohol on Doordash. So you need to upload your ID one time. Dashers will only need to see your photo and date of birth. What they'll see is your ID but blurred out. Now, you don't need to worry about them taking a screenshot and then keeping the photo itself, because it'll be too blurry for them to actually use in practical situations. If this order is a gift, the Dasher will also check recipient ID. If you're delivering it to somebody and they're not over the age of 21, they can't take the order either. So you start with age verification. Is a US ID. You can use driver's license, a state ID. This is like an ID card that's not actually a driver's license. Passport, and military ID. So what kind of driver's license we have? You could take a photo, which you could use a camera if you would like. You can upload a photo or continue on another device, which I'm going to choose to continue on another device because, well, I can't take a photo of my ID here. So let's say you want to send it to send a text to yourself. You would say send SMS. You can also send it to your email or scan a QR code. With SMS, you just need to type in your phone number. For an email, you just have to type in your email to send a secure link. Or you can scan a QR code, which I'm going to do the QR code because I think it is so cool. Just go to your computer like that, bam. And what it would show you is a literal same thing: driver's license, state ID, passport, or military ID. So you would have to go through those first few statements again. So what ended up happening was it ended up opening in a browser, so you don't need to download an app for it. And congratulations, you're done. Return to your previous device to finish. So I'm gonna take a screenshot to show you what that looked like. Your age was verified. You can now order alcohol on Doordash. Things to keep in mind when ordering alcohol. Your personal information won't be shown to Dashers to protect your privacy. They're going to see a blurred out version of this, but this is what they're going to see. They're going to see your face, the state you drive in, your driver's license, the fact that you're verified that you're over 21. That's important. They're going to see the expiration date, and they're going to see a bunch of redacted information. Your Dasher will match your photo ID to you provided unless this is a gift. Refund restrictions apply. You will not receive any part of the order or a refund if you're unavailable at the time of drop-off, visibly intoxicated, or if the dasher can't verify your identity. Make sure, 1, you have your ID on you, and 2, that you're actually able to pick it up. I'm gonna assume you're smart enough to know that if you're drunk, don't order more alcohol. Hand to me, it'll always end up on hand to me because it's an alcohol delivery. From here, you would just add your card and everything else, and then you're all set. This is how you would order alcohol. But what about ordering tobacco? Here's something I found interesting upon looking into it a little further. Can I add tobacco products to my Doordash menu? This is referring to merchants. No, Doordash does not support the sale or delivery of any tobacco products, including related items like Juul devices and vape pens. But then why do they have the guidelines available? Well, there's actually something else to this that you guys should know. And can I add tobacco products to my DoorDash menu? The sale of tobacco products is not available on DoorDash, include blah, 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 exactly what we read. However, if you are a drive or white label delivery merchant where your orders are placed by a customer directly through your app or website, this is that third way that I told you guys about that merchants end up using to build their own brand. Then you may sell tobacco products through your website, which will be fulfilled by DoorDash. Gonna go from you, the customer, to their website to request a driver when they are ready and then deliver it to you as a customer. So make sure you guys know which places around here actually sell tobacco products, because then DoorDash will most likely deliver those products to you. So if you want to order tobacco, go through their website and it will be fulfilled by a DoorDash driver. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Tom Harkins, I really hope that this ended up being valuable to you and you have some questions of yours answered. If you guys have any requests for videos you would like to hear about, I am more than willing to accept requests. Just leave a comment below on the subject. I read all the comments. I respond to as many as I can. And also, you can email me at drivenwild@gmail.com and I will be able to read your email and potentially make a video on that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.